What's your APF rifle?
Ooh, well, there's more than one out there.
I know I'm asking you to pick your favorite kid right now, but we all have one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's easy.
I know what yours is.
Yeah. Probably my favorite rifle to shoot. I have a 12.5-inch barreled 308 pistol that I use pretty extensively for some medium range shooting, and then also actually for whitetail hunting. It's probably going to get SBR'd when Minnesota changes their whitetail laws. But no, that's probably one of my favorite guns to shoot. It's got a Vortex Razor 1-10 on it, and then I run a Surefire 300 SPS on the end of it.